Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to verify your Lyft driver account quickly and confidently. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to verify your Lyft driver account quickly and confidently. Getting verified on Lyft is a crucial process that ensures you are ready to start driving safely and securely. First, make sure you meet all the basic requirements, such as having a valid driver's license, proof of insurance, a qualifying vehicle, and a clean driving record. Next, head over to the Lyft driver app or visit the official Lyft website to begin your registration process. Here you will be prompted to create an account. If you haven't already once logged in, you need to complete your profile details accurately, including your personal information and banking details for payments. Now the core part of verification begins, which includes uploading necessary documents. Lyft requires you to upload a clear photo of your driver's license, your vehicle registration, and your proof of insurance. Make sure these photos are clear and legible, as blurry images could cause delays. After uploading documents, you will be asked to consent to a background check. This step is vital to assure both you and your passengers that the community stays safe. The background check includes a review of your criminal history, as well as your driving record. Lyft takes this process seriously, and it may take a few days, so be patient. Once your background check is complete and all your documents are approved, you will receive a notification confirming your verification status. At this point, you can download the Lyft driver app if you haven't already and log in to start accepting ride requests. Remember to keep your driver app updated and check for any additional requirements or periodic re-verifications to stay active on the platform. To sum up, verifying your Lyft driver account is straightforward when you follow these steps carefully, from meeting the basic requirements to completing your profile, uploading documents, and passing your background check. Getting verified is your ticket to earning and driving with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and tips.